Question number 1. Who will be awarded Nobel Prize 2023 in the field of physics? The correct answer is option D, all of the above.
Key point. First winner Pierre Agostini from France. Second winner Ferenc Krauss is from Hungary. Third winner Aniel Hulier is from Hungary. The reason why they got the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2023 because they developed experiment method to generate attosecond pulse of light for the study of electron mobility in the matter.
Question number 2. Who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2023 in the field of medicine? Correct answer is option C, both A and B.
Key point. First, Katalin Karikó is from Hungary and second, Drew Weissman is also from Hungary. The reason why they got the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 2023 because the discovery related to nucleoside base which made possible to develop the effective mRNA vaccine against COVID-19.
Question number 3. Who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2023 in the field of literature? The correct answer is option D, John Fuss.
Key points. John Fuss is from Norway and the reason why he got the Nobel Prize for Literature 2023 because his innovative plays and prose which give voice to unsayable.
Question number 4. Who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2023 in the field of chemistry? Correct answer is option D, all of the above.
Key points. First winner Mongi G. Bawendi from France and prize share 1/3 of the prize amount. Second winner Louis C. Bruce, he is from USA and the prize share 1/3 of the prize amount. Third winner Alexei Ikimov is from Russia and prize share 1/3 of the prize amount. And the reason why they got Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2023 because the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots.
Question number 5. Who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2023 in the field of peace? The correct answer is option C, Nargis Mohammadi.
Key point. Nargis Mohammadi is from Iran and why she got the Nobel Prize for Peace 2023 because her fight against the oppression of women in Iran and her fight to promote human rights and freedom for all.
Question number 6. In whose memory is Nobel Prize given every year? Correct answer is option B, Alfred Nobel.
Key point. In the memory of Alfred Nobel Prizes are given every year. Alfred Nobel was born on 21st October 1833 in Sweden. He invented dynamite, an explosive, and Alfred Nobel died on 10 December 1896 in Italy.
Question number 7. In how many fields is the Nobel Prize awarded? Correct answer is option C, 6.
Key points. Nobel Prize are given in 6 categories. Number 1 medicine, number 2 physics, number 3 chemistry, number 4 peace, number 5 literature and number 6 economics. Economic is the 6th one to add at last. In 1968, Swedish Central Bank established the prize in economic science in memory of Alfred Nobel, the founder of Nobel Prize.
Question number 8. When the Nobel Prize is given every year? Correct answer is option A, 10 December.
Key points. Nobel Prize are announced every year in October and it is given on 10th December, the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel.
Question number 9. When was the Nobel Prize given first time? Correct answer is option B, 10 December 1901.
Key point. The first Nobel Prize given to Jane Henry Donat for his role in funding the International Red Cross movement and initiating the Geneva Convention in the year 1901. And secondly, he shared with Frederick Passy for founding of the Peace League and active with Donat in the Alliance for Order and Civilization in the year 1901.
Question number 10. Who awards the Nobel Prize in Medicine? Correct answer is option B, Karolinska Institute, Sweden.
Key point. Number 1. What is the prize money for the Nobel Prize for Medicine? The answer is it is 11 million Swedish kroner. And who was awarded Nobel Prize for Medicine in year 2022? The answer is Svante Pääbo from Sweden.
Question number 11. Which organization awards the Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Swedish Academy.
Key point. Which organization award the Nobel Prize for Peace? The answer is it's a 5-member committee elected by Norwegian Parliament. And second, which organization award the Nobel Prize for Physics, Chemistry and Economics? It is the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Sweden.
Question number 12. Who is the first and only woman to be awarded the Nobel Prize in 2 different categories? Correct answer is option A, Marie Curie.
Key points. Marie Curie is the first and only woman to be awarded Nobel Prize in 2 different categories. First in physics in 1903, the reason is study of radioactivity. Second in chemistry 1911, the reason was isolation of polonium and radium.
Question number 13. Who is the first man to be awarded the Nobel Prize in 2 different categories? Correct answer is option C, Linus Pauling.
Key point. Linus Pauling is the only person to have been awarded 2 unshared Nobel Prize. First in chemistry 1954 and second in peace 1962.
Question number 14. Who was the youngest person to be awarded the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option D, Malala Yousafzai.
Key points. Malala Yousafzai is the youngest person to be awarded the Nobel Prize. At the age of 17 in the year 2014, she is from Pakistan and the category was Peace Nobel Prize. And what was the reason for her award? For her fight for the right of every child to receive an education. Let me know your answer in the comment section. Also, you can share how many answers you got right. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more GK videos. Thank you for watching.